New interesting features from GPT came out this week. So
I haven't
things like
seen.
image recognition.
I think they pushed out audio and visual support in their
Yeah.
GPT Plus, right? And the web browsing is back, as far
Is
as
that
I know.
back?
Sure, I read that Claude is the other anthropopic
Mm.
AI is giving out API access. I haven't worked with that a lot, but they have cool stuff as well, like this instant model. Then there's very huge context window.
Uh, Gmail integration, which apparently is insane. Don't know how I feel about them going through all of my emails since forever. Well, it's that ignorant part where just because I don't like it doesn't mean they haven't already done it.
No, they've already done it. Come on. We already know they've already done it.
Yeah. We're on a GPT Plus account. It's a beta feature, and I've just played around with some of the image recognition stuff. The other thing that they were saying was the Dali integration, right? So that there's an integration between Dali and GPT, so that you could, through GPT, be generating Dali images. It's interesting how these things are, while it's the same, there is some diversification, looks like it, because Claude very early on started focusing on the ability to upload other documents, and they were pushing character limits significantly more. So for a while now, you could have generated larger volumes through Claude than you could have through GPT. The reason I signed up with them was they were the early ones with Slack integrations, which was interesting.
Okay.
So we got exposed to Claude through their Slack work. Their responses were definitely not as good as GPT's. And the same with Bard was shocking. Like their initial responses and stuff were just horrendous.
Cool. Are you still running Team GPT?
I am, and loving it. Those guys are pushing out updates like nothing. They've just introduced the ability to chat around a chat. I'm investing quite a lot in terms of building up my own personal inventory of prompts. Yeah.
What is Team GPT?
Team GPT created a kind of an interface where you, as a team, you could leverage a single account basically. And now they've just it feels like they're releasing new features weekly, just to build on this capability to use GPT as a team to collaborate around using GPT. Stumbled on and have been using since is a very powerful search capability. The other thing that they do really well is forking. So you can actually fork a thread into different things, which not even GPT has, which is really cool. So you can actually start a thread and then fork it out into a new instance. Little tip there, I bought my license through AppSumo. So got a lifetime 10 member thing for next to nothing, which is benefit. I think so. I'm going to finish this because it's only me geeking out about this. The last cool feature is that you can actually have multiple workspaces on the same account. So I actually have one set up with a client where we're collaborating with them with some content and stuff on Team GPT, which is also cool.